Hi, I'm a member of the secret detection team at GitLab, and I'm going to run through how to set up a custom rule set and remote rule set for the secret detection analyzer. So here we have a project that has a RSA key in one of the files. Currently has no configuration for the secret detection, so it's going to find the RSA key as you would expect because it uses the default configuration. So now let's say that we know that that's an RSA key. It's a dummy key. We want to ignore it. And in fact, we want to ignore all RSA keys because this is not how we do it in our organization. So we add a .gitlab folder at the top level of our project, and we add a secret detection rule set TOML file. And in that TOML file, we're going to quickly just put in a little bit of TOML to disable that rule. We're going to save, we're going to commit. For purposes of this demo, I'm just committing to main. That's normally not a good practice, but for demonstration's sake, it'll work. So now we come back to the pipeline. We've seen that it's run. Let's go check out the vulnerability report. Now you still see it, still see the RSA key because secrets persist until they're resolved. So we're going to resolve it and rerun the pipeline, make sure that it doesn't show up again. When that is done, we'll check the vulnerability report. And like we expect, the RSA key does not show up. So say we now have a new secret that we're putting in, and I'm going to put it in the cryptically named secrets.txt, and it's going to be a GitLab personal access token. Again, commit it to main for simplicity. Run the pipeline, check the vulnerability report, and there we see it needs triage. It's a critical vulnerability. Now, say we know that we don't, in our organization, we don't use GitLab personal access tokens. So if it finds it, we just want to be informed about it. So we're going to lower the severity rate to info here. This is a remote project that also has a rule set configuration that ignores or disables the RSA key, but also lowers the severity rate for GitLab tokens. So we go back to our original project because we don't want to have two different rule sets. We're going to delete the .gitlab folder and the containing rule set TOML. And then in the CI configuration, we're going to add this variable that points to that remote project. Again, commit to main for simplicity. Now we're going to go check the pipelines. Should run automatically. It does. All right, check the vulnerability report. And we see two GitLab personal access tokens because they persist, but we see one that's critical, that's the original, and one info, which should be the new detection with the new remote rule set. So we're going to resolve both of these and then rerun the pipeline to make sure that it's only listed as info level severity for the GitLab token. All right, check the report one more time. And there it is. So it does detect it as we expect, but it is level info. If you want to check out this project as well as others for secret detection and SemGrep, you can find them at this URL. Thank you.